Ka JHADC kadon kam hadu prakulur sapusan laksan pukandai hajan rius pa nyo pukandai tingka shibnai ban siu tulop bat pension yaki MDC barim ki nongtrei bat nongtrei bala syong tha yatu u chief executive member jong ka JHADC uma thombor shiwan habajubab ya ka jingkeli jong u MDC ka kongres na amwi kli terci bat u chief executive member barim uma madan bai rembai ha ka dorbar liur ka balalong ha ka arpusau tri ubnai naitung Uma rembai ula keli Katno kadei ke gross domestic product ne ke GDP jong ke council haman ke budget batna kaliang jong u chief executive member jong ke JHADC ula jubab ba ula ban ai tang ke gross domestic accumulation ne ke jing pendut pensep haman ke budget Uma rembai ula kentho ya uma shiwat ba ula dei u CEM lah news nam kumta udei ban la ban ai ke jubab ke besai
one supplementary question, it is question number 2. May I know what is the GDP of the council revenue per budget? That is approximately, not exactly. May I know the GDP of the council? Gross domestic product. Kejika lagi warak sebanyak kapan pada bisa harga budget kemudian you are one of the veteran CEM in this council. You continue nearly 7 years. You know, I think very clear what is the gross domestic product per budget in the council collected.
Ustaz Salman Sar, haji itu menjadi gross domestic collection untuk mengkreai yang revenue collection under each head of the council kita teman ini. Jadi bukan jadi gross domestic collection kan kita menentukan deh nasional panjang.
I don't mind Mr. Deputy Chairman Sir. More than nearly 7 years were wrong administration. You should be study carefully, no? Don't be wrong. We cannot accept. You have to say no. Yes, under process. Yes, I still am under process to matter like that. Not the way to say no. Not yet. Terkait muhasabah perman yang itu wawin, merupakan dengan collection revenue teman lagi dengan teknologi kami tanggung GDP gross domestic product. Compare dengan man per budget ngomong exactly on the woman approximately to that. I urge the executive committee of the day will work hard and take necessary steps and make this hard working and will be run the administration in a smooth functioning. Let this time will be coming up for restoration of the machinery of the council in a very smooth for the best in the near future.